Hey everyone, it is 12:30 on Tuesday, and you know what that means. It is Temp-tations Tuesday, where we highlight an item. So cute. Not all of them are super cute. They're all super cute, actually. Anyway, we highlight an item over at QVC.com, and we bring it to life. Meet my friends. I'm so excited about this. It's so stinking cute. I have them in all three patterns. Look at this 2-quart bowl in our adorable little elf shape. But it's not just like, oh, that's so cute. There's still all of that embossing in here. There's still that resist where this is actually carved into the side of the stoneware. And then take a peek right on the inside. I have all of those polka dots, the blue snowflakes, 360 degrees of this super cute pattern. And can we talk about the little elf boots with the stripes all individually hand painted? And then of course you have the little elf hat here. Okay. If that's not cute enough, how about ho, ho, ho? We have Santa. Love, this is just so iconic. Everything about it, from the pops of the red, the trimming of the black, the sweet little Santa hat, his boots with his cute little buckle. Again, 360 degrees. These are so beautiful, perfect for any holiday table. They're just fun, even if you just put ornaments in them and it was just the centerpiece. And then, of course, we could never forget Rudolph. We could never forget Wembley. Look how absolutely adorable our reindeer bowl is, with, of course, the sweet little feet, the little antlers up here, and all of that beautiful resist polka dot, the pop of that red with the red nose. These are so cute, you guys. This is a limited edition, something we only did for this time of the year. What we brought in is what we brought in. It's all we have. These are stinking cute.